Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, March 12th, 2021. And yesterday we saw the markets push up to new all-time highs. We made new 52-week highs there as well. And in the overnight session, we are pulling back. So currently, some of the markets, not all of them, are trading below yesterday's low following that 52-week high close. So I thought that would be interesting to look at. I'm not sure that we're going to be opening below the prior day low because we're pretty close to it right now. So it could go either way, but I thought it was an interesting study to look at. So that's what we'll look at this morning. I'm going to load up all four instruments here, and the setup's going to be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. And as I said, we're going to be looking at what has happened historically when you open below the prior day low, which I've selected right here from the opening area of the opening filters section, following a close at a 52-week high. So in the price pattern section, I can go over to the active today, find the long list of things that are available that are applicable for today, and down here, day after a 52-week high close, if I click on that, it will add it to the test. It is found within this new highs category. If I scroll down a little ways, you'll be able to see it there. And then I'm going to click View Results. And here we go. These are the results of going long at the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at the close, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are opening below the prior session low of day, when the prior session made a 52-week high close. So pretty rare pattern, doesn't happen all that often here. S&P has 40 samples of this pattern taking place. The NASDAQ has 24, the Dow 35, and the Russell only 9. And if we look at the win rates on them, they are all a little bit more favored. So S&P coming in at 73% of those 40 samples have closed above the open. The NASDAQ, 67% of the 24 samples have closed above the open. Dow, 66% of the 35 samples have closed above the open. And Russell, just 9 samples, and 56% of those have closed above the open. So all of the win rates at least mildly skewed to the bullish side. If we look at the average win, average loss, you can see the average loss is larger than the average win in the S&P, sizably in the NASDAQ. And for the NASDAQ, it looks like it's just catching a giant outlier or two that is really skewing those numbers. And since there's not a lot of samples, that's not too hard to do with a couple outliers there. With the Dow, looks like the average win a little bit larger than the average loss. And with the Russell, same deal there. The average win is a little bit larger. So we're kind of mixed on the average win versus average loss there. And with it being smaller sample sizes, it's not as reliable there, since an outlier can kind of skew the data. But the win rates have favored this pattern historically if opening below the prior day low. And like I said, I don't know if we'll open there or not, but currently we are trading there. So hopefully you found this helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.